Hello, my friends. I wanted to answer this question: what the heck is quantum jumping? Everyone who uses quantum jumping has their own take on it, but I call mine the creative leap because it's helped so many people that I know who are creatively blocked or who were creatively blocked. And I'm talking about the whole gamut of creativity, from sculptors, writers, creators, people who are in businesses and startups. It's the idea that in this world, there are many worlds. In this space, there are many spaces and many versions of you who have come from all the different choices that you've made. And you, because it's timeless, it's non-linear, you can access the information that your different selves are currently living in this multiverse. I created this system to actually address it in two paths. Every single decision that you have, no matter how big or small, you come to a fork in the road. And one fork is the road of your personality. The personality is related to your past and your past stories. It's very much tied with ego and identity. The other path is your potential. Now, of course, it seems easy. Why wouldn't we choose potential? But actually, the potential means it's completely unknown. And so to get comfortable accessing your potential, I take you into a meditative state where you're actually stepping into that self that's living the solution to your current problems. And then you get all these different messages, visuals, clues, and you come back into this time and space and you write them down in a free writing session. Now what happens is, in that communication of your other self, your twin self, and in writing it down, you cement the messages that you got that will help you make decisions for your potential right now. So that is the creative leap. And it has done wonders for me and all my clients, because you can look at different areas of your life. You can pivot back to choices that you wish you made differently and actually take that information as if you did make it differently and see how you would be living right now. Just by the choices you make. It all comes down to the choices. One choice leads to an incredible garden of forking paths that impact every other choice you make. I hope that makes sense.